Yes, so let's begin with our previous year questions which were asked in the MNCs. So first question is going to be how many prime numbers are there between 1 and 50? So how to solve this question? In case if you want to try, you can pause the video and you can try, or else you can follow me. So prime numbers, what are prime numbers? Prime numbers are those which are divisible by 1 and itself. For example, 5. So 5 ones are 5, 1 5 are 5. So these are prime numbers. Whereas 4 is not prime number. Why? Because it is divisible by 2 as well. Okay. So let's try to write prime numbers from 1 to 50. Whereas 1 is not at all a prime number. So it starts from 2. So 2, 3, 5, 7, not 9, 11, 13. As you'll observe that these numbers are divisible by themselves or 1. Okay. It's not 16, 17, 19, 21, no, 22, 23. Then after 24, 25, 26, 27, 29, 31, 37, 34, 35, 36 will not be. 30, not 30. It's 41 because 39 cannot be. 13 is as we get 43, then 47. Fine. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So total how many prime numbers? Between 1 to 50, it's 15. Okay. In case if they ask 100, then you can go with this method, or actually it is 21. Now let's go with the next question. Next question is the ratio of incomes of A and B is how much? So it is given 2:3. And the ratio of the expenditure is 1:2. If the savings of each of them is 24,000, then the income of A is. So one very important thing that you need to understand is income. What is the meaning of income? Income is nothing but whatever the spending. Spending is nothing but expenditure, right? So income is nothing but whatever the amount that you spend plus savings. Fine. So here expenditure is nothing but spending. So the ratio of income, A and B's income is given how much? It is 2/3. Then their expenditure is also given. How much? 1:2. Whereas they have saved 24,000 each. Okay. Very important thing that you need to understand, that is there are two methods. If you can imagine this as x, this will be 2x, that is one method, or else directly you can go with the shortcut. Why? Because hardly we used to get time, right? If you can see, income is 2 of A, so its spending is 1. So what is the other part? Could be 24,000. In the same way, here difference between spending of B and its income is 3, 2. So what is the difference? 1. So one part is 24,000. Getting the point? So indirectly, they gave us the hint. And they're asking, how about two parts? So if one part, I repeat, if one part is 24, it is being so slow. Okay, 24,000. Then how about two parts? So two parts will be 48,000. Hope you got the answer. In case if they ask the things about how about the income B, then it would be 24 into 3. That would be 72,000. Hope it's clear. Okay. Let's move on to the next question. One ticket is drawn at random from a bag containing tickets numbered 1 to 40. The probability that the selected ticket has a number. Very important thing. One ticket is drawn. From where? From a bag which has 1 to 40. It means total how many tickets do we have? 40 tickets. the probability that the selected ticket has a number which is multiple of 7. See, if they say multiple of 7, multiple of 3, it means they're asking 3 table or 7 table till this particular number. So here they are asking 7 table till 40. So it could be 717, 7 2s are 14, 7 3 are 21, 28, 35. But we can't go further. Why? Because we have only till 40. So how many possibilities it can be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total possibilities. So I mean probability of selecting tickets which are multiple of 7, it's 5. So answer is 5 by 40, but we don't have any option as such. So 5 ones are 5 eights. So answer is going to be 1 by 8. Got it, everyone? Now let's move on to our next question. See, before I explain this, one thing let me tell you. There is a concept called time and work. So time and work and pipe and cistern, both the concepts, pipe and cisterns, they both follow the same formula, almost same. Okay, the only thing is that the words they change, that's it. So even here you can apply the same thing. Now let's say two taps together, they can fill a tank in 9 3 by 8 hours. The tap of a larger diameter, so let's say the tap could be A and B. So tap of the larger diameter is 10, it is taking 10 hours less time than the smaller one. Then the time in which the tap can separately fill the tank is. So there are two methods to solve this, but we'll try the shortcut method. What they have given, together they can fill. So there is a formula. If two persons can work together or if two taps can work together, formula is, let's say if A can complete, A can fill in A hours, B can fill in B hours, then the formula goes AB by A plus B. Fine. So this value is given 9 3 by 8. So 8 9 72 plus 3 75 by 8. Fine. So this is the total hours. Now what they're asking, they want the individual hours. One more hint they give, what is the difference between them? 10. So even here we have difference is 10, difference is 10, difference is 10. So difference is 10. But if you can, after like applying the formula for whatever the option, I'm going to get this, I mean, this particular value, that would be the correct option. So let's start with the first one. AB, that is 10 into 20. 10 into 20 by 10. It is so slow. Okay. 10 plus 20. That is 200 by 30. 0, 0 cancel. So 20 by 30, but we require 75 by 8, right? So let's go with the second one. 20, 15 into 25. That is 15 plus 25. So it goes as such. 15 into 25. Okay, let's write as it is. 25 plus 15, it will be 40. So 5 3 is a 5 8. 25 3 is a 75. 75 by 8. So what is my right answer? Right answer is 15 comma 25. Other answers cannot be. Why? Because 15 5 75 by 20. Thus right answer is this. Now let's see the next question. Hope you all are getting the things right. Okay. Fine. Yeah, so let's go ahead with our next question. It is given in a class test, the sum of Kamal's marks in mathematics and English is 40. He got 40 marks. Had he got 3 marks more in mathematics and 4 marks less in English, the product of the marks. See, Kamal, he got some marks. And what is the sum of the marks? It's given 40. Okay, he got 40 marks. In case if you would have got 3 more in maths and 4 less in English, then the product would be 360. Fine. So this product would be 360. That is what they want to see. Now let's go ahead with this. So here, if you add, you must get 40 with the options. And if you add to this 3, if you subtract 4 from this, you must get the product as 360. That is what we need to do. So let's go with the first option. 21 plus 19. You'll get 40. Right? Now m plus 3, that is 21 plus 3, and 19 minus 4. So 21 plus 3 is 24 into 15. So how much you'll get? You'll get it as 360. Fine. Let me connect and check once. Yeah. Okay. Fine. So first option is correct, but it doesn't mean that only first option. We need to check why, because there is an option more than one of them, right? So check with this. Add 12 plus 3 into 24 minus 4. Fine. 28 minus 4, that is 24. So again 15 into 24. So answer could be more than 1. Why? Because third one will not be possible. Hope you are getting the things. Okay. Yeah, so now let's proceed further. Let A and B be independent events. If P of A is this, P of B is this, then P of A union B. For this, we know the formula. P of A union B plus P of, that is, let me write the formula for you. P of A union B. That is P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. And this is nothing but P of A into P of B. Fine. So what is the value of P of A? That is 0.3 plus 0.4 minus 0.3 into 0.4. This value will be 0.12. So here it will be 0.7. So 0.7 minus 0.12. As you can do this. Here it will be 8. Fine. So answer will be 0.58. Fine. Now let's move on to our next question. Okay, so in case if you like, you can follow us, and rest of the questions we'll discuss later, because there is some network issue here. As you can see, it is slowing down, right? Okay, so we'll discuss further questions in our next video. So till then, keep learning and keep enjoying. Thank you.